Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe guys. Subscribe so we can hit that 1k. And after we hit 1k guys, we want to do some little bit of a celebration. So we're gonna shoot a vlog just to show you where we are shooting and stuff guys. I'm not alone guys, I'm with
aka Tulidi.
Yes guys, I just want to ask her some few questions guys. Because you know, she's full of politics and arguing and coming up with all these things guys. So tell me something. What's a religion in your own explanation? In fact,
Religion is a belief or practices or
in your own, not like, don't give me the definition of a religion. Like in your own explanation, what's a religion? Like on nowadays, when you look at like nowadays how things are, you know.
religion is belief. Some they believe in, like everyone believes in God. I don't know if it's true or it's not true.
Yeah.
But you can say that you can correct me in your comments. Like, but there are different beliefs. Some they believe in ancestors. Some they believe in God. So even the
But
I don't know if I'm contradicting myself.
But even the other ones who believe in ancestral or who may call it spirituality, they still believe in God. Or which God are you talking about? At the end of the day,
God is one.
Yeah. Is the creator.
I'm talking about the creator of heaven and earth.
Okay.
According to the Bible.
Okay.
The ancestral spirit. I mean to say the ancestors they don't have their book.
Okay, true. Okay, I hear you.
According to the Bible, God is the one who made heaven and earth. Is the creator of everything.
Okay.
Natural.
I hear you.
So, according to me, religion, like it's what you believe. It's believe what you believe.
I hear you. But according to me, religion, guys, religion is like a business nowadays, guys. It's no longer about your beliefs. I think it's all about like who can sell God. Like who can sell God to us in the best way you can. It's either you have like these luxurious cars, it's either you have like maybe like a biggest tent, or you have built this biggest church and everything. Because to me it's like each and everything is like transaction, guys. It's a business. I'm telling you, like according to my own explanation nowadays, religion is more like.
I think you are talking about Christianity.
No,
you are you are talking about cars. You are talking about big tents.
No, but like it's not like it's like it is not only Christianity who drives.
Sorry, but the sangomas or whatever.
Yeah, they're driving.
Nah.
Your gogo Mawenis, your gogo, they're driving. So
which cars? One car, two car.
Yeah, but like at the end of the day, they're driving. That's why I'm saying religion is all about businesses. It's all about like what I can sell for you or make you believe in this thing so much, so I can profit from like whatever. I'm telling you, it's all about business.
It's your definition of religion
nowadays. Yes, at this day and age, it's all about who can sell.
Now you're changing the needs. Now it's like.
Changing the needs how?
Like, let me see, maybe I will contradict myself, but I'm saying, I don't know how should I say it, but it's like, you know, when we're at primary, there's needs and wants.
Yeah.
There's water.
Yes, I understand those basics.
Those basics.
Yeah.
So you are saying now religion is not about the spirit anymore. It's about profit.
Exactly. Guys, it's exactly what I'm saying. It's exactly what I'm saying.
I don't think so.
Because now, like, it's a competition. Like, guys, people are bathing people at churches. people are giving people whatever, cutting their hair. If maybe you have like a colorful hair and stuff, like rainbow hair, they're gonna cut those hairs and everything. People are busy staging things, waking people from the dead and stuff. I'm telling you, it's all about profit.
Those ones of raising people from, you can't wake up on your funeral and you eat on your funeral.
But like that's why I'm saying it's all about like
it's being staged.
It's all about convincing people out there. Okay, just imagine like all these pastors,
but me,
right?
I think people are not really convinced. There's a spell. If you are inside that church or that sangoma, it's a spell. You can't eat a snake.
Or grass. Drinking petrol.
No, people like.
But like I'm telling you guys.
Whatever apostle, prophet, sangomas, all those names or whatever, they're staging these things, and there's not religion. It's not definition of religion. They're just manipulating the system.
I hear you. That's why I'm saying nowadays it's all about profit. It's all about making money.
Yes, I agree with you.
Okay.
That it's about making money, but it doesn't change the definition of religion.
Okay, I'll go to the churches now. Which churches can you tell me that they don't care about this luxury lifestyle and stuff?
ZCC. In Zion Apostolic Church, guys, not that one of clapping hands.
Guys, ZCC, they are still profiting on these things. If you are like a doctor or anything, when you go to Moria, when you go to Boyne and stuff, right? When you go to Boyne and stuff, you become a doctor that side. If you are like engineer or like, it's all about profit. I'm telling you. And remember, ZTC, they are selling their own tea, they are selling their own clothes.
But it doesn't change. It doesn't change the definition of religion.
No, I'm saying
people are making their own things.
I hear you, but like that's what I was saying on your own explanation. Not like I'm not changing any definition and everything, but I'm saying what's happening nowadays. I'm talking about like how like people are changing things now. Do you get what I'm trying to say? People, guys, people are busy manipulating the system as we speak. Each and every, there's no like
you can agree to disagree.
Guys, there's no like a church that is not working on trying to benefit. There's no church that I know.
Those people that are not working.
Which ones?
The pastors. The apostle, the prophets.
Yeah, they're not working because
they are not working.
Yeah, because
so who's supposed to provide for them? God will come on earth to provide for them.
Guys, I'm talking about like okay. For example, let's say it was like just like a basic, right? These things is just like for basic. There was no need for somebody to go with like your limousines, driving this. Or your Austin Martins.
The world is evolving.
No, but like it can evolve into like as like a past. There's the video that I was watching, right, guys? These pastors, daylight robber, guys. He said, I want people who want to give me 5,000. I'm not talking about 10 rands. I'm not talking about all the cents. I want people who are going to give me 5,000 coming this side. Now he's even creating peer pressure inside the church. I don't know if I still have that video.
Abantu abazothatha envelope seat of a covenant abangahlali angikhuluma 100 rand no 200 rand ngikhuluma mina ngento serious omunye lapha ngikhulume kanje wanikela ngale moto le ayiveko 22 seat waphindwa wanikela ngeside ka 250,000 seat of a covenant angifuni into ka Tom Dick and Harry lalela uphene nomoya emithi kodwa lembewu ethi Samuel yayiblock ekingangeni ngoba khona izibusiso ezingahlali ko Tom Dick and Harry.
I went to some of these churches.
Yeah, people running, those guys.
They start from 10,000.
Yeah, they say please come this side. Then 5,000.
It's a scheme. It's a scheme.
That's why I'm saying
it's not religion.
But I'm saying like people are busy manipulating system now.
At the start of the conversation, you asked me what's my take or
I said what's your explanation
Yes, I explained.
What's your own explanation how do you understand religion, or what's your explanation when it comes to religion nowadays? That was my question. On your own explanation. I'm not talking about
I did explain.
Yeah, yes. But like
it's a belief.
Yeah.
It doesn't involve money. It doesn't involve anything. I said it was belief.
But nowadays it's all about profit when it comes to religion. It's all about who can sell God on the, I don't know, highest bidder, or who can convince more people.
So God is on auction.
These days, these guys are selling. Jesus is on auction. It's all about like who can set the
But he said many will come in my name, if you know the Bible.
Yeah, I heard that verse.
There's there will be false prophets.
Yeah.
And what Jesus prophesied is coming to light now. Yeah.
And it's exactly what's happening, guys. I'm telling you guys, like, I've been seeing this. The reason we're having this conversation because I was watching some videos. Like I saw lots of dramas in different churches, guys. That's why I'm saying, like, I don't even see like a church that can stood out there and says, yo, we just wanna take the homeless guys on the street, you know, we can give them shelters, food and everything. As you were busy saying that because the pastor doesn't work, or whoever that is in charge of the churches, we have to give them your tithes and stuff, right?
Yeah, there's electricity. They want to be seen on TV. They want people to charge the screens, people to be held. So we need cash. Money.
Now we agree. She said we are gonna agree to disagree, but now we agree that it's all about.
We agree to disagree.
But like, guys, I'm telling
what I'm
you,
saying is that they need that money. They need that money.
Okay,
that time.
I hear
they
you.
need to maintain the cameras. Those people, those are taking cameras. They don't care if it's a church or not. They need to get paid month end.
Okay, I understand. Those are studios that are need to get paid.
Brothers in Christ.
But guys, I want to see a pastor who's gonna go to all these bridges and everything, and take all these nyaupes and say, yo, we created like a shelter for these people. These people are sleeping by the bridges or pipes or whatever. We want all these people.
We can't end it. That one.
What do you mean?
It can't be solved. Even in the Bible, Jesus in Matthew, I don't know the chapter or the verse, but
it's Matthew. It's in Matthew.
It's in Matthew.
Okay.
It says, Jesus said he went to the temple.
Okay.
When he went to the temple, I don't know, it was Peter or it was Judas, who Jesus was healing like someone
in Sabbath or something.
In the temple.
You're talking about the story of Jesus healing people in Sabbath. That's when
in the temple, inside the church.
Okay.
He was healing people, or he was, I don't remember, but in Matthew. And there was a beggar by the door. And I think it was Peter who told Jesus that you must pray for this guy, or you must give this guy man. Jesus said, this one's no. There will always be people like this. So which means if you take Nyaupe boy at the bridge tomorrow,
you're gonna find him there again.
No,
you'll find another one.
You will find another one. It doesn't end.
Oh my God!
You can't help those people.
You
can try.
Yeah.
But
well.
You can't end it.
It is what it is. Some people say those people, somebody did some witchcraft on them. Maybe they stole something or something. So
some of them, they didn't want to listen to their parents.
So that's why they end up under the bridges.
They didn't want to follow the rules.
So hey, follow kids. follow your moms, follow your folks. So another one that I wanted to talk about it is like, do you think it's still necessary to follow your initiation school, those cultural activities and stuff, or it's out of fashion now?
No, it's not out of fashion. It is necessary.
But like right now, like people are saying out there in the mountain, they don't even have like a proper equipment. They don't have like your medication. They don't have like, it's not like people. It's more like they just dump people out there and leave them there to rot.
Those ones are sick. Like
I'm asking. This
because
Yeah.
because there are people that are not qualified. They're taking chances. That's why people like guys.
There's like this, a certificate of holding such like a ceremonies. There's like people who have like certificate. You don't just say I'm initiating boys, or I'm doing this and that. You'll be arrested, guys. If you don't believe, as she says, like, it is good for the culture and stuff to know where you come from and stuff, just to follow those footprint of elders and whatever. Yeah, it's good according to me. But like, if you feel like it's not safe for your kids, guys, don't. There's still like your hospital. If it's boys, for girls you can make your 21st birthday
party
for celebration. But if you
have if you don't have a baby, like you have not 21 birthday for someone who has 3 kids, I know. What are we appreciating?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, that's facts right there. Yeah, so if guys, you don't feel like your moms or your kids can go to all these initiations, you can just do maybe 18th birthday, 21st birthday, 25 here and there. So another thing that I wanted to touch on today, he always says people, guys, this one, guys, I don't know, guys, it's a problem. She used to say these things from 2014 or so, while she was still in varsity or so. She used to say people find their soulmate while it's either they are married or they are in a serious relationship. What is that? Why do you it's what
I'm witnessing. It's what I'm like these days. I'm seeing like people like they stay for so long in a relationship, that like they are splitting, like she go and marry the other guy. Like,
do you know somebody who found okay.
No, hey. Yeah, I no.
Do you know somebody who have find their soulmate while they're still in a relationship or married?
Yeah, I know someone.
Is it? So it is possible.
It is highly possible.
But like, okay, what's your take? Okay, for somebody who went to varsity and everything, what's your take when it comes to no, you can't find your true love while you're still in high school. You can only find your true love while in university. What's your take on that?
There's no such. There's no such. People are just making theories.
Yeah.
And you are allowed to say what your man tell you.
But I think somehow it encourages you to go to varsity.
Yeah.
Because when they are paint this picture of saying that you wanna find your true love in varsity and everything, I think it gives you the thinking in high school, like you wanna push, so you wanna see what's out there on the other side of the mountain.
Yeah.
I think it's a good thing.
It's a good thing,
but it's a lie.
It's a lie.
Is it?
Maybe 1.1%, it was 0.2%. They got their soulmate.
Oh my God!
0.2.
Yeah.
It's not true.
Yeah.
It's not true.
Yeah,
love it's complicated. It's complicit and it's complicated.
Damn. The varsity side of your head just came out right now. So yeah, guys, I think that was it for today. I don't know if you have some questions that you want to ask me or something.
Nah, that's all.
guys, please, guys, help us to reach 1K, guys. We're only left with, I think, is 5 subscribers or so. So please press that subscription button, notification bell. Laws are coming, guys. If you haven't seen anything that we've been posting, guys, just click where it's written videos, and then you'll see everything that we have dropped, guys. So yeah, man, see you on the next video.